Hey gang, welcome to Canadian Quarters Review. Today on CQR, we're at BDM Motorsports in Vernon, BC, Canada. And we're checking out this Kawasaki KX 250 dirt bike. This one's actually on sale, guys. You might be interested in this. Anyway, let's check it out. So this guy is going to be a 249cc liquid-cooled 4-stroke dual overhead cam 4-valve for the single piston. You're going to have a 78 by 52 millimeter bore and stroke. It is fuel injected with dual injectors. You got a digital DC CDI ignition. It is electric start. You got a 5-speed return transmission with a wet multi-disc manual clutch, and of course chain driven is your final drive. So the frame of this guy is going to be a perimeter aluminum frame. Your front suspension is an inverted fork with adjustable compression and rebound dampening. It'll have 314 millimeter or 12 inches of wheel travel. Your rear is going to be the new Uni-Track with adjustable dual range, high-low speed compression dampening, adjustable rebound dampening as well. It's an adjustable spring preload, lots of adjustments on there, that's great. Again, 316 millimeters or 12 inches of wheel travel. Your front tire is going to be an 80 by 100 by 21 51M. And the rear tire is 100 by 90 by 19 57M. So talking front brake on here, you're going to have a single semi-floating 270 millimeter pedal disc with dual piston caliper front brake. The rear brake is going to be a 240 millimeter pedal disc with a single piston caliper. So this guy will have the road clearance of 335 millimeters or 13 inches. Your seat height is 950 millimeters or 34 inches. Your curb mass is going to be 107 kilograms or 237 pounds. Your mass without fuel is going to be 102 kilograms or 226 pounds. That's the actual weight of the bike without fuel. And 6.2 liter of fuel capacity as well. So obviously when you're looking at stuff like this, you wouldn't necessarily choose it for the color, but hey, I really like in this color. It's pretty cool. I've always liked the Kawasaki green and the black accent. Again, you got yourself a very well-made bike, smaller in size for somebody that might be just starting, or maybe somebody that just isn't too serious about riding or keeping up with the pack. They just want to enjoy the trails. This would do it. Again, it's one of those keep up your maintenance. Just make sure your air filter's clean, your oil is changed. Give it a good soak down every time you bring it home. This thing will last you a lifetime. And here it's on sale at BDM Motorsports in Vernon, BC, Canada. Very cool. Well, that about sum it up for another one for Canadian Quarters Review. Thank you so much, guys, for tuning in and watching. Come down to BDM Motorsports and check out their lineup here. Their showroom is actually finally starting to look like a showroom. So cool. So yeah, come on down, check them out, tell them that I sent you, and they'll take great care of you. Thanks again for watching, guys. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. It's a huge help. And with that, I'm out of here. Catch you guys on the next one. Thanks again for watching.